Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to start on another mentor character, kinda, but this is Colin from Liveman, one of my favorite like robot characters in all Sentai. She's pretty wonderful. This is a great model by 3D Command Center. Check it out. Back's printing. You know, every time I start talking about a helmet before it's done printing, the back screws up. So we'll see what happens. It is a pretty intimidating back with her hair buns. But we're gonna try something different with this. We're gonna use some modeling paste to try to smooth this out. I've seen some videos on it. We're just gonna try. We'll give it a shot. The visor is actually up here. This whole top part. So I'm gonna print the buck for this, and we'll get this formed, cut out a place to actually see, and we should be good to go. But we're gonna try some of that new modeling paste, see if we can get it to work. If not, we'll go back to the little spot putty. But let's get some on there and start seeing this. We gave up on the modeling paste. I tried it, just wasn't working, so we put a coat of spot putty on here, sanded it, and we'll see what we're actually working with here now. Colon is all cleared. We are going to glue on this visor. It didn't form perfectly. It doesn't have a real buck, so we just had to like print just a section of this and try to form it. And we didn't get the whole way down the corners, and it lifted up here a tiny bit. We're going to trim this, but it fits super nice. It looks good. You can see out of it. It is a little weird how you see out of it, but you know, that's how it works. So we're going to glue it on with some E6000. We're going to let it sit now, probably till like, I'll let it sit overnight with the tape on it. I'll take it off in the morning. Should be okay. And then we'll get to the magnets, elastic, ribbons, which is going to be a whole thing. We're going to figure out which ones to use. I bought like $20 worth of ribbons. I don't know what to use. I can't tell from pictures. And then we'll get to the spin around.
Finally, this has been a long time coming. It's a very ambitious helmet, and I got a little scared halfway through, but we pulled it off. I think it turned out really good. I think I made it a little too big. I should have stuck it with like this 100%. I did scale it up, I think like 104 or something. It's because it seemed really small. But as I didn't understand where the vision was, and now after I printed it and see it's all up here, I understand. It makes more sense. I can see out of this pretty well. I wish I would have cut down a little bit further. Then it wouldn't be as weird. Again, I think it's a little big, a little bit of foam, and it would probably make it sit just right. I really love how the ribbons and everything turned out. It's a really cool helmet. Colin's really cool. One of my favorites. Like Alpha 5-esque Sentai characters. I don't know what the actual term for them is, but you know what I mean. But yeah, she's awesome. We love Colin over on the stream and all that. So hopefully you enjoyed this. This is, for now, the last Liveman helmet for a little bit. I might get around to redoing some of mine since it's my favorite series. You know, I want to do the best I can with them. And I made those a while ago. But I'm hoping maybe we get a model for Super Live Robo, or even just Live Robo modeled, and do the helmet for that. That'd be pretty cool. So look forward to that maybe in the future one of these days. But as always, follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplays Props, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex, where we're live every Saturday and Sunday, twice a day, working on helmets just like this. Check out the Discord, link down in the description, as well as a link to the Patreon, $1 tier. Come check it out. Lots of fun stuff going on there. And also check out the merch store. All kind of cool t-shirts, everything that people requested. So they're up there. But as always, I'm Stickasaurus. I'll see you next time.